of the Summerlin, when you come upstairs, the master bedroom is going to be to your left, and also is your laundry room. So it's super convenient to have your laundry room upstairs. This space that I'm standing in now is going to be considered the game room. To your right, you're going to have a bedroom with a bathroom. To your left is another bedroom, and then to your immediate left is a bathroom. So let's go take a look at these spaces. So check out this master bedroom in the Summerlin model. This is huge, and no, they didn't spare any room here in the master bath as well. One of the things I really like about the DR Horton homes is they have a really cool placement for windows. I love a window over the tub area here. And check out this closet. It just goes on forever. So imagine if you have a custom closet company come in and what you can do with this space. So these are 9.5-foot ceilings in this home, and you have double vanity sinks here. Let's go on and check out the rest of this